Hi friends, very good morning. I hope all you are doing well. Guys, as we know, we are discussing the interview questions for identity and access management. In last session, we had completed the part 1. So today we will discuss about the part 2 session, which is very important from the interview point of view. So guys, stay tuned. Let's start the session without time wasting. Yes. What is the role of principal in IAM? What are the other terms used in IAM? So, guys, actually principal, right? So first we need to understand what is principal in IAM. So a principal is a person, right? A principal is a person or application that make a request for an action or operation in an AWS resources is called our principal. So guys, principal may be a user or an application because the principal is someone who can request for actions or operations, right? For example, me or any applications can be a principal. So your administrator IAM is your first principal. So if we talk about what are the other terms used in IAM, that is principal, second is request, authorization, authentication, resources, and actions and operations. So these are the certain terms which comes under IAM. In IAM, who is authorized to decide that XYZ user have legitimate access or application or not? Yes. So guys, we generally talk about IAM and we say that we have such policies in IAM, right? So, but in actual, who decides in IAM for authorization to provide the legitimate access to application? So under IAM policies, that particular thing is stored in IAM as a JSON. JSON is a JavaScript document and specify the permissions that which user have allowed or denied the permissions. So this is all about the policies which is stored in IAM as an JavaScript format which permits the user's permissions. What is the default permission of root user and first principal IAM user? Yes, this is generally for the knowledge point of view. Root users have all allowed access. However, the first principal IAM user have the all denied access by default. Root user to allow the access for rest of the users. So guys, I am talking about the default access. Okay, so the root user have by default all allowed, and for IAM users, that means who have been created by the root user, have all denied access. What are the types of policies we have in AWS for IAM? So we have user identity based and resources based policies. However, we have time based policies as well. But if we talk about in a major scenario, so we have user based policies and resources based policies. So whatever we applied permissions over a user or a principal is our user or identity based policy. For example, read, write, and execute. So such permissions allowed, denied for resources, applications, softwares. Example uh, examples cross account permissions. For example, in financial department, if another user wants to check the account, then he can she can only see the details because he has no right to edit or execute the third person's financial account. So in such scenarios, we have the cross account permissions. This is because all applications is bounded by the permissions. Yes. Coming to the next slide, if 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 five policies say deny, deny, and exploit allow is there for one user, what actions IAM would take? So guys, exploit allow have more power than deny. So permissions is allowed for users. If explicit allow and implicit deny is there, then access will be denied because deny have more power than allow. This is very general case. Yes, this is a kind of logic check questions. What is called if only authorized user can access the information. So guys, this answer is very simple, but one should know the exact that what question is saying, and availability is the correct answer. Coming to the next question, in a scenario based, one user need different permissions for working hours and non-working hours, right? So how would you accommodate the user? Is it possible to do the same? So the correct answer is yes. It is possible because it's completely depend on the business requirement, right? If uh, if there is a requirement, then we should follow, or we should adhere the organization policy. So for accommodate the permission, yes, we need time based policy, because here you can see that the requirement as per the working hours and non-working hours, right? So time-based policy we can implement here, in which we assign required policies from 9 to 6. Yes, for 9 to 6 we will apply the different policies, and different for non-working hours. But guys, for security reasons, such users have has different category, where SIM team to monitor proactively, because there are very rare users who can request for different kinds of access as per the time based. So guys, next topic we will discuss about IAM interviews questions part number 3. I hope guys these videos really helps you. If you have any questions and you want to know answers from me, kindly do the comments. I will try to provide you the answers in very short span of time. Thank you. Have a nice day.